Furnishing and decorating a studio apartment can be a bit of a challenge. How do you fit your living room, kitchen, dining room, and bedroom into one room and still maintain enough breathing space? Of course, ingenuity, planning, and adaptation are required, but at the end of the day, the result will be worth the effort. Watch this video, look into studio apartments that interior designers have designed, and find stylistic and smart space-saving solutions ranging from simple additions that make a room feel larger to more elaborate designing ideas. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Your studio apartment may be small, but it doesn't necessarily have to be boring. Bold accents such as a statement piece of furniture or eye-catching artwork can help. Watch the whole video and get inspired. Here you can find more than 30 truly essential ideas, tricks, and tips for furnishing your studio apartment with style and personality. Choose functional furniture. When furnishing a studio apartment, you cannot make mistakes in choosing the furniture. Not to furniture that is too large, bulky, and not very functional. Just comfortable and low-profile furniture pieces. Pay attention to colors. The choice of colors is essential for furnishing your studio apartment so that it appears large, airy, and not oppressive. Dark colors and overly risky combinations are banned. Green light, however, for light colors and soft shades. For the walls, white is certainly preferable. While for the furnishing, you can play on the contrast between black and or dark blue, in this case from the image and white. If you like neutral elements, light wood flooring to match white walls is the ideal solution to create a harmonious and relaxing environment. A studio apartment does not necessarily have to be a small, cramped and not very functional space. Just choose practical and versatile furnishing solutions which allow you to take advantage of all the space available to have a practical and comfortable home. Just have a look at this design idea. Furnishing a studio apartment means transforming a single room into a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and dining room. The most difficult task is to do it without adding too many furnishing or drowning the space. Otherwise, the feeling of chaos and claustrophobia will be guaranteed. Get inspired by this design and get ready to transform your tiny living space into your comfortable home interior. When you have a small space available, the first thing you should do is divide it into functional areas. Remember that the organization of the space is worth more than the space itself. Divide the space into different functional areas with the help of an area rug or a piece of furniture. Have a look at the design idea from these images. Define your style by using the same color palette throughout the apartment. Consistent concept is created. A great idea is to use a mix of neutral tones such as white, light gray, or beige with the light color of natural wood. Do you know what is the main reason why a studio feels like one room? The bed is prominently placed in the center where everyone can see it. Create a visual separation between the sleeping area and the rest of the room with room dividers such as bookshelves, screens, curtains, or in this case, hide the sleeping area behind the kitchen. Light and glossy colors such as white, beige, or light yellow can help make a studio apartment appear larger and brighter. These colors reflect natural light, creating an open and airy feeling. Additionally, they can help create a sense of cleanliness and order, which can be especially helpful in a small space. Of course, you can use darker colored pieces of furniture to break the monotony of a neutral background. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.